7:31. Another NES game must be played. Okie dokie. 185. $185 is Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde? Are you kidding? Okay. The wheel of crap wants to torture me. So be it. Oh boy. This is gonna be hell. Hell in a handbasket. Dr. Jekyll and Mr. fucking Hyde. Son of a bitch. Here we go. Here we go. Alright. I forgot exactly what the point of this game is. So we can jump like an idiot. We can duck. And we can stab with our cane. Did that guy just leave a bomb? Man, my neighbors don't like me very much, do they? Jesus Christ! Everybody's out to kill me! And they succeeded. Good God. Oh, wait, no, I'm just going insane. I don't understand why everybody hates me. I see. You go back in the level if you get killed. As Mr. Hyde. Or whatever. Bouncing brains. And now I've officially died. So, yeah. Then that's it. One life. That's the game. I wish I could stop there. What the hell? What was that? So if I hurt this guy... Okay, fine. That must be a normal, everyday, law-abiding citizen right there. So, saving immediately. Because I know this guy's going to try to leave a bomb or something. Ah! I don't trust anybody. These people are freaking crazy. All I'm trying to do is walk. I just want to go home or wherever I'm going. Oh great, there's a spider. Surely this thing's gonna try and kill me. Oh hell no. Oh hell no again. Let's just wait for this guy and just run by. Oh you asswipe. I hate you all of you. You suck. Why does that guy hurt me? And why is he running at like 20 fucking miles an hour? There we go. We made it past the first spider. And there's the midget. The midget's gonna shoot me. And he succeeded. God damn it. Come on, midget. There you are again. Fucking midget shooting me in the balls. Kind of makes you wonder if Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde was really a bad person. He might have just been pissed off because all of his neighbors were trying to kill him. Uh-oh, a cat. This cat is probably means trouble. Oh, Jesus! Fuck. Uh-oh, pissed off cat. Someone must have stuck something up that cat's ass. Everyday stroll for for Dr. Jekyll. Nothing unusual here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, the cat didn't have something stuck up its ass that time. Oh god, dog! This game's a little boring. Dunk! He drops like a freaking anvil. It's just like, walking on this wall. I said walking on this wall, bitch. Get on the wall! Guess I can't get on that wall. Anyway. Here we are, walking through the graveyard. Nothing unusual here. Oh god. Oh god! Birds! Why? Birds! Everywhere I go, there's a bird trying to shit on my face. How many games is this now? How many? Look at this bird! These birds are out to get me. I'm never gonna trust birds again after this. Once I became a Let's Player, the birds, oh my god, they just... No. No. At least that one was after that cat. Or so you'd think. But no, the birds have it in for me. They don't want me to Let's Play. Alright, that one was gonna hit me either way. I had to get away from the bomb. Leave me alone! Why is there always an endless supply of birds after me? No. No. I'm tired of your shit, birds. Get it? Why is that guy in the ground? Ow! I'm getting enough shit from the birds. Stop digging out the outhouse. Oh god. Alright. Oh, you bastard. And now this cat's gonna have it in for me or something. Nope. The cat left me alone, but there's a dog. Oh, Jesus. Jump immediately. Man. What is with these people and these animals and everything? Not again. What? Oh my god. I hate you all. I hate every one of you. Especially that damn dog. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! No, no, I'm not letting this happen. This is not happening. Hey! I didn't get hit that time.